Welcome to Body Make and Health Management. Today, we're cutting through the confusion around two of the most popular weight management strategies, intermittent fasting and traditional calorie restriction. We'll compare how each works, their benefits, and the challenges you might face. This isn't about picking a universal winner, but about helping you find what fits your life. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of both methods. You'll be equipped to make an informed, personal choice. Let's break down each approach into simple, practical terms. We'll look at real-world examples and how these plans might fit your daily routine. Ready to discover which strategy could work for you? Let's dive in. Chapter 1. What is intermittent fasting? First up, intermittent fasting, or IF. Unlike traditional diets, IF focuses on when you eat, not what you eat. You cycle between periods of eating and fasting, creating a daily or weekly schedule. The most popular method is the 16-8 plan: fast for 16 hours, eat within an 8-hour window. For example, you might eat from noon to 8 p.m., skipping breakfast and having your first meal at lunch. Most of your fasting happens while you sleep, making it easier than it sounds. This approach sets clear boundaries, reducing mindless snacking and late-night eating. During fasting, your body gets a break from digestion and can focus on cellular repair. The emphasis shifts from calorie counting to meal timing. For many, this rhythm becomes a sustainable, effortless part of daily life. IF is about discipline through structure, not restriction. Chapter 2. What is caloric restriction? Now, let's look at caloric restriction, classic calorie counting. Here, the focus is on how much you eat, not when. The goal: consume fewer calories than you burn to create a calorie deficit. You can eat at any time, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, as long as you stay within your daily calorie target. This target is based on your age, weight, activity level, and goals. For example, you might set a daily limit of 1,800 calories, dividing it among meals and snacks. Many use apps or journals to track intake, learning about nutrition and portion sizes. Caloric restriction offers total flexibility in meal timing. It's a straightforward, proven method built on the basics of energy balance. The key is consistency and awareness. Chapter 3. The powerful perks of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting offers unique benefits beyond weight loss. Fasting lowers insulin levels, making it easier for your body to burn fat and improve blood sugar control. Many find it simplifies their routine. Less time thinking about food, fewer snacks, and no late-night eating. For example, Sarah, a busy professional, found her energy and focus improved after switching to a 16-8 schedule. She ate more satisfying meals and lost the urge for afternoon snacks. IF can naturally reduce calorie intake without strict tracking. It also encourages your body to use stored fat for energy, sometimes entering mild ketosis. The combination of hormonal benefits and simple structure makes IF appealing for many. Chapter 4. The steady strength of caloric restriction. Caloric restriction's biggest strength is flexibility. Eat whenever you want, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks. Just stay within your calorie budget. You can fit social events, cravings, and favorite foods into your plan. For example, Mark, a marathon runner, can enjoy a business lunch or dinner out by adjusting his other meals. This approach avoids the all-or-nothing mindset and is easier to sustain long-term. Tracking calories teaches you about nutrition and portion sizes, building lifelong healthy habits. You learn to make smarter choices, even after you stop counting. Caloric restriction empowers you to manage your diet around your life. It's a mindful, conscious way to eat. Chapter 5. Downsides of each approach. Both methods have challenges. Intermittent fasting can be tough at first. Hunger, headaches, and irritability are common as your body adjusts. Social situations can be awkward if your eating window doesn't match others. IF isn't suitable for everyone, especially those with certain health conditions or irregular schedules. Caloric restriction requires constant tracking, which can be tedious and take the joy out of eating. Focusing on numbers can lead to an unhealthy relationship with food. It's possible to eat poorly while staying within your calorie limit missing out on nutrition. Aggressive calorie cuts can slow metabolism and increase hunger. Both methods require self-awareness and balance to avoid pitfalls. Chapter 6. Which path is right for you? So, which is better, intermittent fasting or calorie cutting? The real answer, the best method is the one you can stick with long-term. Both work by helping you achieve a calorie deficit. If you prefer structure and fewer food decisions, IF might suit you. If you value flexibility and enjoy tracking, caloric restriction could be your path. Try each method for a few weeks and see how you feel. The right choice is the one that fits your lifestyle and makes you feel empowered, not stressed. Thank you for joining me on Body Make and Health Management. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more practical health advice. Thanks for watching until the end. Stay healthy and see you next time.